Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to give you a nice video here of a 2020 Rayco RG74T. This is track fully remote control. You have yourself non-marking tracks, Cummins diesel, green teeth, sweep control. I'll show you the engine bay here. There's your engine bay, there's your big old Cummins engine, lots of power. We're going to do a little demo here for you. This thing only has a little bit less than 400 hours. We're going to demo the stump grinding, a little bit of operation here for you. So here's your Cummins coming to life. Everything's controlled via remote control. So you can turn on the wheel. There goes your wheel. Do a little bit of grinding operations. The operator's not real used to it. This thing can take huge swaths out of stump. Okay, we're gonna show you some more operations here. Here's your dozer blade up and down. Show it driving, steer. So ladies and gentlemen, you can see the tracks extend in and out. You got your grinding mechanism, your stump grinder here. It has sweep control. You can also control the speed of your sweep. You have all your levers here, automatic kill. This thing is really top notch, very low hours. Show you take a look here. That shows your hours there. This thing's ready to go to work, make you a lot of money. Look how nice it is. You can tow it behind a pickup truck on a trailer, get the job done, clear land, tree service work, whatever you need to do. You can give us a call at 260-238-4998. You can check us out on the web, 99lifts.com, 99lifts.com. Really glad you took a look at it. This thing's fully serviced, ready to go to work, been inspected, and can get the job done for you. We'll go ahead and show you the engine bay over here. There's your engine bay. Thing's almost in brand new condition. Look how nice and clean it is. Nice clean paint job. Very few blemishes. Been well maintained. You can store your remote control in here. Here's where your remote goes. So very nice machine, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for checking it out.